If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your Wells Fargo account, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wells Fargo website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Profile section. Click on it to find the security settings related to your account. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication options. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. You should see an option to turn off or disable two-factor authentication. Select this option and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes and log out. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. Once confirmed, log out of your account for security purposes. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Wells Fargo account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.